mystery box that just came. I really don't know what it is. So we're just going to unbox this and see what this is. So here we go. I have the knife here.
Pull it out.
Yeah.
There we go. Push it, pull it.
Oh, this is actually a vacuum cleaner. It's from Dyson V8 Absolute Plus. So this is actually, I heard that this is one of the best vacuum cleaners that is there. I'm pretty sure Dyson is a really good vacuum cleaner company.
Okay.
Here's the box. See? There it is. You can see the box. There we go. So the first thing we have is an instruction manual. We have this weird bag sort of thing. This is actually a bag to keep all the attachments. It's a very nice bag.
Beautiful bag actually.
Yeah. So the interior is blue.
Light blue.
Nice.
Whiskey also wants to see. Okay. Did you see that? Okay. Alright.
Then we have this piece. I think this is one of the attachments for the vacuum cleaner. Whoa. Here we go. This is a cool little piece. You can change its way it looks. There we go. That's one. Then we have.
I have no idea what that name is.
They really packaged this very well. Wow. We have a long sort of a rod. I also don't know what this is. We even have a box inside this packet.
Alright, there's a brush in there.
There's a brush. There we go. I think this touches onto here.
Yep.
Yep, there we go. Another contraption or something. There we go.
Throw it down.
Then we have this, I guess this is another type of an adapter or nozzle. It's more like a wide brush sort of a thing. There we go.
Alright.
We have a big collection of things now. What else?
Take this out.
Yeah, here we go. This is probably the main thing, one of the main things. It is, what is, oh, here we go.
You open it here. There we go. And there.
There it is. This is probably the rod that we use to vacuum. And I really like this color. It's kind of like a copper or brass sort of color. It says Dyson V8 Absolute Plus. There it is. Pretty nice. It's a pretty long rod. There we go. Whiskey's taking the wrapper and running away.
Fast easy.
There we go. We have a couple more things in here. A lot of boxes as well.
Say careful.
There we go. We have another piece. There we go. There's also a instruction booklet with this thing as well. I'm just gonna keep it here so that we don't lose it. There's so many things now. I don't even think we have
This is the one that we need to charge it. This is the charger and then the hanging system, I guess. Yeah, hopefully we will just find it out what it is.
Another piece. There we go. Then a lot of wrappers and things.
Okay.
Nice. There's this.
There is one more small instruction manual. It's for the adapter as well as the hanger. Careful with that.
Whoa. I'll take this out first.
First you take this. Yes.
Yeah, this is definitely the main thing. I'm guessing this is the handle, I guess. There we go.
Yeah.
Here is the main module. I'm guessing this is where the dust and everything stores. This is probably where the motor is, and here is the trigger. Whoa! It actually turns on, see? It has energy inside the box as well. Very shiny and very new. So that's
Very nicely made. It's a very nice finish and very nicely made. Wow. Yeah.
Nice. This is probably another one of the main pieces. You can see that this has the brushes inside of it, and I'm guessing this is the ability to spin, which takes up all the dust, especially from this guy, Whiskey, who drops a lot of hair. So this should be very helpful. Again, it says Dyson over here.
Try this out. Yeah, the corner one. So if you wanted to do the corner ones, that's the one. All right. And so this is also a motorized. This is a mini motorized dust collector, and this is a bigger one, I guess. Let me see that.
Biggest.
Yep. Oh yeah. This is not the normal one with the brush. This is the one for the floor. Okay. So this, if you see closer, the roller is very soft. Okay. So that is for the soft, hard floors. and yeah, that's where when you are using your marble or marbonite, that is the one that is to be used for. Okay.
It's so soft.
And this is the one.
This is actually the bigger version of the one that I showed you before.
That's for the carpet.
This is the carpet one, as you can see. We used to have a carpet, now we actually took it off. But this is the carpet one. This also comes with the Dyson. The Dyson actually comes with a lot of different attachments for different things, as you can see. This is like, I think, the third or the fourth attachment in the box.
And finally, the adapter. This is a nice looking adapter, by the way, and it has got a nice attachment. Alright, one more attachment. Okay.
One more thing. This is, I'm not sure what is it.
It can bend. That's the whole idea right now. Okay. So that's all. So one thing I just wanted to clarify, that this is a Dyson V8 Absolute Plus. Okay. So there is a V8 Animal and then V8 Plus. Okay. So the V8 Animal is 33,000 right now in Amazon. We ordered it from Amazon, and this was pricey, a little bit more. It was around 39,000. Now there is an offer going on which is about 31,000 approximately. So we bought this.
Alright, so this is everything that comes within the box. As you can see, our table is just enough to fit everything in. And as you can see, in just one box, all these things are present. Over in the front, we have all the attachments for the vacuum. As you can see, we have a bunch of pipes. We have the main device itself. We have the charge remover and the charging thing. We also have the adapter over here. And this weird piece, I really don't know what this is. And these are all the things that we have. As my dad said, this is the vacuum one. This is the bigger sized one. This is the smaller one. We have this one, which is like a brush kind of a one. Another brush one. Another like I don't know, like a duster sort of a thing. The main pole. Then we have a smaller one with the brush. A smaller one without the brush. And this piece, I don't know what this is. Also this weird piece, as I just said. Yeah, there we go. The main unit itself, which also still has a lot of power, like that. Then two instruction manuals. The bigger one, which is the instruction manual about everything here, and the smaller one, which is probably the instruction manual of this and this. So I'm just gonna put it here. This is the main one right over here, as you can see. It has a bunch of instructions, but it's actually not as complicated as you think it is. It's kind of understandable. As you can see, it's colorful and you can kind of understand what to do and what not to do. So we go. And we have Whiskey over here, who also likes unboxing and is playing around with all the boxes and all the covers that came in.
So we have fixed it on the wall. So it's nicely hung up. And it has got two knobs or two holders where you can fix in the spare ones, and I can't fix another one this side because of this mini rotor is blocking the way. So probably you can put two long nozzles, which will be fine. And we are connected to the plug, and it is charged, and it's almost charged. Few more minutes it will be fully charged. So it takes about 4 to 5 hours from complete zero to full charge. So that's how the charge is. One con I have to tell you is just 25 minutes is the time it uses with this bigger motorized suction system. And other than that, I don't see any cons. Removing the system is pretty simple. Just hold it here, lightly lift it, and then take it out. That's simple as that. So putting it back is also very simple. So just push it up and then let it rest on its own. That's pretty simple. Alright, okay, so we are going to clean the floor. So just very simple. Just move it along, and it has got a very good suction, and it will be able to pick up everything on its way. So especially the hair Nothing is left on the floor after it passes through comfortably. So there is some hair. I'm going to remove that. There you go. That's it. So usually it's removing. Okay. And now we will see how it works on the couch. Okay. So the main purpose of us buying this system is to remove Whiskey's hair. So he jumps on the couch and then it's very difficult to remove the hair. So let's see how the system is able to pick up the Whiskey's hairs. Okay, so just get it close. You can see that it is absolutely removing the hairs from the couch. Absolutely beautiful. Nothing is left over. Wherever it is passing through, it is picking up every hair of the, which is very hard to remove by any other vacuum cleaner. The beautiful system is that it has got the roller, it just vibrates the hair and then it is able to pick up through the vacuum. Vacuum is really, suction is really good. One more thing I just have to show you is there are two settings. One is slow setting, which is like this, okay, and there is a larger setting, high setting, where the motor suction is extremely higher. So this is how it is. It is in the slow setting, it is completely picking up. I'm going to set it up in the high picking up now. High pickup. There we go. The RPM increases and it picks everything from the cup. Beautiful it is, okay? And all the dust gets collected down in here in this container, okay? And they call this as a hygienic model, which I will show you in a minute how to remove the dust from there, like, okay? Let's go. So this is the hygienic system to remove the dust. So what you need to do is there is a red lever on top that shows a garbage bin. So just pull it up. What it does is that when you pull it up, it opens up the cover down and the whole unit by itself comes up, okay? So you don't want it to touch the dust. So what you need to do back is that push it back firmly and then push it up. That's it, like very simple. You don't need to touch the dust to scrape it or clean it, like, okay? Then once it is done, I think this is the mark, the black color thing that you have, the max. So that is the mark that you can see. So once it fills up to that level, so you need to dump it back again. If you use the non-motorized system, you will get about 40 minutes. But if you use a motorized or a dust collector, you will be taking about 25 minutes as the maximum time that you can use this system. The only con that I've seen yesterday, I was trying to use it, is the time itself, like, okay? That is the only issue with this system. Other than that, it's a very good suction model, fantastic system, I would say. Thank you.
So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and also subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have any questions about the vacuum cleaner, ask us in the comments down below. We'll try to answer them. But hope you enjoyed this video and we will see you later. Bye.